After Doge and Shiba coin, number of meme coins are entering the market every day. And on BSC it's fast and secure. In this video I will share a BSC altcoin which will give you up to 1000x in near future. And it will work more efficiently than Dogecoin and Shiba coin. So be ready guys for this ride, because this altcoin will change your portfolio forever. Stay tuned.
Feel uninvited.
What is Doshiba token all about? Baby Doshiba has two daddies. Who's the real daddy? Dogecoin or Shiba coin? Who will be the blockchain winner? Doshiba's real daddy must be the winner, but whoever that is, Baby Doshiba will grow stronger on BSC. Right now this token is available on the PancakeSwap exchange, so it's entirely very easy for you to purchase the coin. I will share the link of the contract address in the description of this video, so easily you can purchase the coin just by copying the address which I will share in the description. Then you have to paste that address over here on the PancakeSwap exchange, and for example if you want to buy it with 1 BNB you will get huge amount of coins. But before that, kindly increase the slippage tolerance maximum up to 7. Now something important about the Doshiba coin, that how it will work and how it will definitely give something to their community. The first one is 10% tax on each transaction, 5% distributed among all the DSB holders and 5% locked in the liquidity pool. You will better understand one thing, that whenever 5% of each transaction is going to lock in the liquidity, definitely the price will increase, and 5% basically redistributed among the all the DSB holders. For example, if you are going to buy any type of altcoin today, that altcoin is not going to give you anything, but this altcoin Doshiba DSB token is going to pay you on each and every transaction. It means that by doing nothing you are earning something without doing anything. Secondly, hold and get profits automatically distributed among all the DSB holders for all the transactions. Liquidity locked, liquidity of the DSB, 60% of the total supply donated to Doge and SHIB developers at their official request. We choose to donate instead of just inserting the supplies to promote the ecosystem efficiency. Ownership renounced. Doshiba is a community driven project. No limits, feed and grow. Promote it with all your efforts. The team will do the best to support. Here comes the entire tokenomics. Already the team of DSB donated some amount to Dogecoin and secondly to the SHIB. So definitely the team is planning something big very soon, and the team is also going to list the coin on number of exchanges very soon. So it's the best time for you to take the entry in this token, because we all knew one thing, that if you are going to, for example, if you are going to see this video after 1 month or 2 months, definitely at that time the price will increase up to minimum 100x. As per my own idea, if you are going to hold this token right now, for example minimum 6 to 8 months, definitely at least this coin will give you up to 800 or 1000x, because the team is planning something big about this plan. What you think about the price idea of this token? Do let me know in the comment section. I will share the link of the Doshiba BSC. Secondly, I will also share the link of the contract address of the DSB token, and it's the best time for you because market is going down. So if you are going to take the entry right now, you will make some good amount. Thanks a lot.